Hello, this is Sudhakar Mabarti. Today we're going to talk about how to take advantage of CPU options while launching a EC2 instance. So these CPU options enable you to do multi-threading. So that's the main reason why you want to configure these things. Set your own values. There are some default values. So let's say we have an instance type R4. Let me use my invisible pen. Okay, so you have this instance type R4 4x large. So this, we want to specify some CPU options for this. So by default, this instance will have these many CPU cores. And if we have a default of 2 threads per core, so 8 multiplied by 2, 16. So those are virtual CPUs. So why would you specify threads per core? So that you can run things parallelly. So you can take advantage of such a configuration of the instance, and then your software can take advantage of that. So multi-threading. So if you want to disable multi-threading, is multi-threading disabled? Yes. For this instance, let's say you want to disable, all you have to do is, this is the default 2, and you just set it to 1 threads per core. So the moment you say threads per core 1, then you can disable because there's only 1 thread. Number of CPU cores, obviously this is the default, but if you want to use less number of CPU cores, you can specify that also. But you will be charged for the default values. There is no charge to specify the CPU, these options, but there's no charge to specify CPU options, but it will be charged at the default values. So these are the default values. For each instance type, you will have default values of threads per core, number of CPUs default, and then number of cores. And you can change that number. I can change it to whatever I want, but it cannot exceed the default values. So that's all. Mainly what you want to do, observe here, is CPU options are meant to take care of these threads per core, and that way, depending upon your business needs and workloads, you can have parallel processing on your machine. All right, that's all I want to talk about it. Oh, you have a nice evening, morning, wherever you are in the world. If you like these kind of c1c2 diagrams, please subscribe. Okay, before I go, I'm going to show you the topic that I was drawing these c1c2 diagram. Clear all drawings. Okay, this is optimized CPU options under Amazon EC2 user guide. So these are the topic rules. CPU cores per thread. This is the list, basically. Big list. Memory optimized, storage optimized, etc., etc. And you can specify the options, and you can view the options. Those are pretty straightforward once you log in into the management console. All right, that's all I have for today. Take care. Bye.